Picture this. It is 2025 and you're reflecting this year that you crushed your goals in your business. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life and you're surrounded by people who push you to be better. Sounds amazing, right? Now here's the thing. That vision is not a pipe dream. It is achievable because I've growth operated my own business to $400,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to give you the 5 steps that completely transformed my life and will transform yours too. This isn't theory or fluff. It is real and actual stuff you can start today. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set clear goals. How many clients you want to get per week or per month? And you want to see and lay out the strategy that's going to get you to those goals. So either if you're running Facebook ads or you're running Google ads or you're producing free content online so consumers can basically see that content and get used to you and know, like, and trust you. That's one way to go about it. Step 2 is build out the right plan, build out the right team, and then everything else will fall in place. So what I usually tell people is hire people for more money because you're going to get a better outcome and you're going to make more money end of the day. Like sometimes you might be scared because your profit margins are going to shrink, and usually a lot of people when they get into business or seasoned business owners see the long term, so they hire good people for a lot of money. But the people that are just getting into business are making $1 million under a year, they're the ones that are usually scared to hire people for more money. So they're like, oh my gosh, I got to pay someone X, Y, and Z, but I could pay this person half. It's better to pay the person more because that person's going to make you more money in the end of the day. You want to make sure you get the A players because when you develop this plan to put the right people in place, you're then going to get to the next level. The next step is step 3. And step 3 is the focus. Put your phone away and put it away for 8 hours. So usually what I do is I put it under my bed and I go work, and then I say, screw it. I'm not going to deal with the phone today, and I'm going to do some deep work. Deep work is super important. When you do deep work, it will help you maximize your efficiency with your business. If you're scrolling on TikTok or you're scrolling on Instagram, you're never going to get things done. If you were to look at the most successful people in the world, they don't stay scrolling on their phone all day, texting people, all that stuff. They strategize their week so they don't have to use the phone in a certain time frame so they can get the maximum amount of work done. And if you do that in your business, you will see a massive success in your business. Usually CEOs that go past 2 million a year are not even using their phones as much as you could be, unless you're in some fantasy world or you're working the 4-hour work week, which a lot of people's dreams are to work the 4-hour work week, which is a rare case for most business owners. Like usually a business owner is going to have to work unless they replace themselves from the business. And if you are under 1 million, 2 million, you might not be replaced yet, but you can work towards that. And in these videos, I'll be showing you exactly how to do that. Number 4 is exercise and stay on top of your health. If you stay on top of your health, you are going to get a better outcome because you're going to have lower percent of body fat. You're going to be more energized during the day. Your diet is better, so overall you feel better mentally. If you do these steps and you do all the steps I'm laying out here, you will be an ultimate CEO making a lot of money. When you get your body right and your health right, first of all, you're more attractive. You're better at business because you think and you process things faster when you're eating healthy. You look better, so when you're out and people see you, they want to be your friend, they want to talk to you, they want to network, and networking can definitely change the trajectory of your business currently. If you meet the right person, that person could double your business just by telling you one little tip. Networking is huge in that manner. The next thing is you want to do is step 5 is hiring the right mentors. Like you need to hire the right person that's where you are. Right now, currently, my name is Kyle Koschel and I run an agency making almost $3 million a year. And what we do here is we basically grow beauty businesses and help them scale. We are like a done-for-you / agency type of business, and we help you growth operate your business to the next level like I did. Most people do not even have an agency anymore, and I actually do. So I want to show you exactly on this channel how to growth operate your business and make sure you get to that level with your business. If you're feeling stuck, and what you have to do is manifest your way, picture yourself living the high lifestyle, picture yourself in a business owner's shoes that's super successful. Even if you're successful watching this right now, there's always room for improvement. So if you're already making millions a year or even hundreds of millions, you can Then see what areas you can get better with. Maybe you need to get better at hiring better people. Maybe you need to get better at networking. Maybe you have to get better on camera to, build your brand. Maybe you need to, get better at running, advertising. A lot of big businesses don't even run advertising because their offer isn't right. They don't have the right strategy in place. So if you get the right strategy in place, you can grow your business and grow it to new heights. Guys, this is the video I wanted to produce for you because growth operating your business to the next level isn't an easy thing. And I wanted to show you the steps to mastering your life. Guys, give me a subscribe. I want to make sure that I come out with the best videos. Comment down below what type of videos you want to learn, how to grow your business. Like, what do you want to learn? Do you want to learn Facebook ads, Google ads? If you want to see, I have a lot of videos on my channel that's going to start coming out and basically showing you the exact steps how we scaled with paid advertising to 400K months. So if you enjoyed the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next ones.